Now we will discuss what is unit step function. This function is very important, particularly in engineering side, particularly in electrical engineering and electrical circuits. This function is always used. And what is this function, and how we will explain this function? For instance, if we have a function u of t minus a, and we will define this function 0 if t is smaller than a or greater than equal to 0, and the answer will be 1 if t is greater than equal to a. So you can see here the diagram. This diagram is actually the representation of this piecewise function, and the name of the function is unit step function. If t is less than a, then the function value will be 0. It means it lies on t-axis from 0 to a, and then this function will jump up to 1 unit and then will go up to infinity from a to onward. Or you can say, whenever t is greater than equal to a, this function will represent a value 1. Now we just consider if we replace a by any other number. For instance, in example 1, for instance, if a is 0, then what type of function will represent? So u of t minus 0. So this function will be represented as, this is 0. Obviously, if t is a is 0, then it means whenever t is smaller than 0, the answer of the function will be 0, and the answer will be 1 whenever t is greater than equal to 0. And how the graph of this function will be represented, we will see. This is t-axis, and this is value 1, and the function smaller than, and the t, whenever t is smaller than 0, the answer will be 0. It means it lies on over here, obviously on t-axis below 0, and the answer will be 1 of this unit step function, and this function can be written as u of t as well. So this function will goes to from 1 to onward. So this is one way if we know what is a. For instance, if we select a is equal to 1, then what will be the representation of this function? So this unit step function will be represented as ut minus 1 is equal to, this is 0, but t is smaller than 1, obviously greater than equal to 0, and it will be 1 when t is greater than equal to 1. And how we will represent this function in graph? You can see here from 0 to 1, if this is 1, from 0 to 1 the answer will be 0. The function lies over here, so I will darken this line, and then the function will be jumped up to 1 unit, this is value 1, and it will move up to infinity. So this is the piecewise function is a by 2. Then what will be the representation of this function? It's t minus 2, which shows the answer is 0 if t is less than 2 or greater than equal to 0, and answer will be 1 if t is greater than equal to 2. And the graph of this function will be, you can see here, from 0 to 2, this is 2, the value of the function will be 0, and then 1 unit up when t is equal to 2, the answer will, the function will represents a value 1, and it goes so on. So this is actually the unit step function, and this function is very useful in electrical engineering. Now we will discuss another property, another theorem. The name of that theorem is second translation theorem, or you can say second shifting theorem, which is based on this particular function. The name of this function is unit step function.